Hello everyone, my name is Christopher Welter. I'll be going over today our basics for our Java course. Starting off today, we'll be working with a method called the draw a triangle, which I created. Starting off, we have our interactions pane where we'll be typing in anything that we want actually being executed, and our methods, which will be located in our definitions field. So starting off, we'll be starting off with our first command, which is world w is equal to new world. So what this means is that we're saying our class world is going to be defined underneath the name w, and so we need to now then create a new one. So new is our class name, is our command new with our class name, which is world, and then our parameters. Since we're creating a new one, we don't need one this time. Yeah, we just created our first world. Next, we'll need to create our turtle, which if you are working in coding at all, you might be actually needing to be telling an object to move or illustrate what an object will be doing. In our case, right here, we have a little turtle, which will be illustrating how our code affects the turtle. So we'll be going over now using T, which is going to be our new defined name for our class turtle, with our which is our object reference, sorry, which is then we're going to say our message, which to Java is going to be draw a triangle, and then we have our parameters here, which is our sides and our angles. So in this case, we're going to say we're going to create a triangle with 50, and since I know that we're going to be turning it from here to here, we're going to be saying that's 120 degrees, since we're going to be drawing from the outside today. When we hit this enter button, we'll be creating this little triangle right here. Now understand, especially with this, these parameters here can be changed accordingly. So like if I wanted to make one pointing in this direction, I can actually put a negative sign here, and look, it'll actually create the other direction. In addition, I'll be going over a few more different little fun functions we can even do, or commands that we can do with this little turtle. Like for example, we can say T forward because we want it to move forward. We're going to say we're going to have you move forward 25 pixels or 25 steps in our turtle's case. And look, he moved just 25 pixels. Now if you want to, you can even have him do something like turtle, please turn left. Knowing our command here, he'll now turn left. The important thing here is we'll be looking at our object reference and then what specific function we want to have it do. Now here's the fun part. See how this lowercase here and then this is capitalized? With messages like this, we always have the first word always being undercased, and then any other additional words when you're naming a method or a command is always going to be capitalized. Hope this is what you guys like, and if you want to leave a discussion note, please let me know. Thanks a lot, and have a great day.